Hello YouTube, this is TrainBoy54, and this is another 5 custom trains video of 2020. So let me show you what I've got here on the pool table. We've got Queen Emily. Well, this is a Tomy Emily. I just got a Tomy Emily from the train show, along with a Tomy Henry, Tomy Edward, and, well, many other trains. Anyway, this is Queen Emily, made out of Tomy Emily. I spray painted her boiler gold, put some white paint for the lining. I painted the side rods gold as well. And this crown was from the Trackmaster Monkey Mania Thomas. But not to worry, I've got a spare Monkey Mania Thomas on me. Queen Emily was requested by, well, some YouTuber who wanted me to make me... It was requested by some YouTuber who wanted me to make this. Don't know who, but oh well. Next we've got the orange Works Unit Coach. This is the Works Unit Coach that I got from the train show as well. It still works. Yep, it still does work. I spray painted orange simply. I painted the roof gray. And I printed out the Works Unit logo and glued it onto the side. Yeah, another request by Zachary Stern. And it's the Powerpuff Girls. That's Thomas and Friends characters. We've got Blossom on, well, Tenderless Emily. To simply paint her whole body pink, but leave the smoke box black. The black detailing on the boiler. The wheels, the outlining wheels, white. Her foot plate is light pink, or her running board is light pink. And Blossom's face is, well, perfect. Bubbles on Percy. Blue all over Percy, with black lining, white outlines on the wheels. Bubbles' face is, sort of C-U-T-E. And Buttercup on Thomas. It's just like the original Thomas from The Adventure Begins, but a brighter shade of green. White on the outside wheels. Black details on the boiler and the buffers. That's Buttercup's face saying, "Wanna arm wrestle?" But we'll see how well they run when I give them a test run. Well, this is the goods engine from Toby's Seaside Holiday. Some YouTuber asked me to make this model as well. It was on Douglas, was it? Well, sorry, but I'm not sure if you can see when it's upside down. It's actually Donald. The goods engine from Toby's Seaside Holiday on Donald. I still got Douglas, but he's still in good condition. So, I didn't paint this engine too much brown. I spray painted brown, but not too much. And I printed out 1910. I sticked it onto the side of the cab. And I simply painted the letters L and ER in yellow on the tender. What's the front coupling for, you ask? It's for where the fake coupling is. So that Tomy will help him with the goods train. I'll see if I have to do Toby's Seaside Holiday. And last but not least, Ackley Attack 4427 as a diesel engine, version 2. Well, let me bring in Salty. And the first version of Ackley Attack 4427 as a diesel Yeah, Ben requested he would be Rusty out of all the diesels. But the second version of Ben Ackley as a diesel, it's sort of different, but quite simple. It's basically Salty, with the face of Paxton, his body yellow, green stripes on the sides, but yellow on the wheels with silver outline, black side rods. It was a little tricky to do Ben Ackley's name on the side of the cab, but I did the best I could. Ben Ackley, 4427. And I painted the front and back buffer beams red. He still works alright. And he does. So, this is my next 5 custom trains video of 2020. That's Emily, the Works Unit Coach, Ben Ackley as a Diesel Engine version 2, the Goods Engine from Toby's Seaside Holiday, and the Powerpuff Girls as Thomas and Friends characters, so let's give them all a test run! And stay tuned for more Trainboy 54 videos of 2020, aka the year of the Battle of Decisions. So thanks for watching, hope you liked all the trains given their runs, and take care.